Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to solve about some 10 queries in the current video, and after that I will be adding one more video where we will be solving again 10 queries, and like this we will be solving around 1000 queries in this playlist guys. Okay, so they will be having a difficult level is starting from easy to difficult. Okay, so in this video we are going to solve some easy queries. After that the difficult level will going to increase. Okay, so these are the questions which I have already written, and I have stored them on this sheet. Okay, so one by one we will see this question, and after that we will go to the Oracle SQL star plus and we will solve these questions there. Okay, so you can see here first question is write a query to display all the details from employee table. So note that I have already created the employee table which consists of employee name, employee number, job, after that MGR, after that hire date, salary, commission, all those things. I'll just show those things to you first guys. So I opened the SQL here. Okay, so if I write here to know what are all the tables present in your software, what you can do is you can just write select. Okay, so select star from tab. So if you write like this, select star from tab, then it will display all the tables which are present in your software or in your system which you have created. So if I hit enter, you can see here table name, T name, department table, employee table, bonus table, and salary grade table. So there are 4 tables which are present in my system, and table type table. So cluster ID, all those things are not required, but just I can say that there are 4 tables in my system. Okay, so I can just display all those tables. I can write select. First I will show you how to see the tables itself. Select star, and after that I have to write from, and I have to write the table name. First we will see department table, TEPT is the name for that one. So if I write something like this, then it will display the department table, right? Yes. So department number, department name, and LOC, that is location. So these are the particulars or fields present in department table. Similarly, I can write select star from. So this is very important guys, employee table. So all the operations we will be performing on this one. So this is the main table, and you can see if I write select star from EMP, I'll be having this table, and it consists of employee number, employee name, job, after that MGR, after that hire date, salary, commission, and department number. So all those things are there. And similarly you can see the select star, the bonus table. Okay, so select star from bonus. Okay, so I will write bonus here, and you'll be able to see 2 rows selected, so 2 from bonuses. Okay, so after that you can see salary grade also. Okay, so but I will clear this one now, clear SCR. So if you write clear SCR, then screen will be clear. Alright, so this is the table present in our system guys, and I just want to do my all operations. Okay, so with the help of employee table, so I'll just display that one. Okay, fine. So this is the employee table guys, right? So now I will start solving these queries. Okay, so that was a bit introduction. First question, write a query to display all the details from employee table. So all details means I should display all these things guys. So this first query, whatever I have written, select star from EMP itself is the answer for first question. So it has got all the details: employee number, employee name, job, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. So if they ask for all details, then you should write select star from EMP colon. So don't forgot to write this colon, as it is a terminating thing. Okay, so it will terminate the statement there, otherwise we don't get output. So please terminate at the second line, or whatever line you want to terminate, just put one colon or semicolon, sorry. Alright, so next question guys reads, write a query to display names of all employees. So next question says that WAQTD, write a query to display names of all employees. So we need to display all the employee names here. So you can see there is one column which has got all employee names: Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin, Blake, Clark, and Scott, all these things. Okay. So if I just want to retrieve this thing, that is employee name, how I can do that? Okay. So I have to write select, and I need to mention the column name. So the column name is ename. So I will write ename, select ename, and after that on second line I will be writing from which table I have to retrieve the data like ename. So it is present in employee table. So I will write employee and terminate it. So first what will be executing, guys? First from statement will execute. So it will go to from, and it sees that there is a employee table. Okay, so from, and it will go to this employee table, and after that the second thing will be executed is select. Okay, so the second thing, it's like selecting the employee name. So it will go to this employee table first, and after that put the table under execution, and after that search for ename. Okay, so there is ename, and it will fetch all the details of this ename column, and it will display. Okay, so remember that first statement which is executing is from, not the select. Okay, so if I hit enter, then you will be able to see all the employee names are displayed over here. Okay, so this is it, guys, right? All right, so let us move ahead. Third question, write a query to display name and salary given to all the employees. So name and salary I need to display. Same thing, guys, I have to write select. Name is written as ename here. So I will write it as ename, employee name, and we need to put on comma in order to display the second thing. So second thing was salary, and it is written as SAL here, that is sal. So I need to write sal. So whatever we have given the column name, same column name we have to use here, otherwise we will get error. So second thing will be from. So from where I have to fetch this data? From employee table. So write from emp and terminate it. So if I just hit enter, then you can see I'm getting employee name and salary. Along with employee name, I'm getting salary. Okay, so this is the answer for third question, guys. Alright, so now the fourth question is, guys, write a query to display name and commission given to all the employees. So in this fourth question, we need to display name as well as the commission. So what I can write? I will write first one select, after that I will write employee name, and commission, the table name or something like COMM. So this indicates commission in our table, just remember that one. After that I have to write from, and I will write emp. So this will display invalid identifier ename. Okay, so it was a typo, guys. So select ename. Okay, so select ename comma commission, and after that from emp. Okay, so if I write something like this, we will get employee name and the commission given to the particular employee. Okay, so this is the solution for fourth question. Now let us move ahead and try to solve fifth one. Write a query to display employee ID and department number of all the employees in employee table. See, we need to display employee ID and department number of all the employees in employee table. So for all employees, we need to display their employee ID and department number. Okay. So first thing I want to see is what is the column name. So basically, we'll just come over here and okay. So first let us see employee number, and this is basically the employee ID, guys. Employee number we have written, and here I'm having department number, DEPT number, right? So I'll come over here. Okay, I'll come over here and I'll write select employee ID means employee number. So EMP number. After that I will write DEPT number. So this is employee ID and this is DEPT. Okay, so DEPT number. So these are the two things, and after that I will write here from EMP, I have to select these two things, right? So here you can see if I hit enter, employee number is displayed and department number is displayed. So employee number and employee ID are same, guys. Okay, so this is the solution for fifth question. I'll just clear the screen. Okay, clear screen, and I will again select star from EMP. Okay, so now it's fine. Now again go to the sixth question. Write a query to display employee name and hire date of all the employees. So what I need to display is employee name and hire date. You can see these two columns are present. So what I can write, simple guys, select. Okay, so first field is employee name, e name. After that hire date. So it is written as hire date itself, hire date. So I'll write hire date, and from EMP I have to select these two things. So I'll write from EMP. If I hit enter, you can see employee name and hire date are being displayed over here. Okay, so this is about the sixth question, guys, employee name and hire date. After that, seventh one, write a query to display name and designation of all the employees. So here designation in the sense it is asking indirectly for the job. So what job the particular employee is doing. So this is job, and it indirectly indicates the designation, whether you are a clerk or a salesman or a manager or a president. So that is basically designation. Okay, so once again read this one, write a query to display name and designation. They are asking for name and designation. So I will write select e name. So it is not case sensitive, guys, either I can write in capital or small, but for a good practice I am writing it in capital itself. So select employee name. After that designation is job, so I will write job. After that I will write from and EMP. So if I hit enter, you can see two things here, employee name and job: Smith clerk, Allen salesman, Ward salesman, Jones manager. So these are all the things, right? So next one, write a query to display name and job and salary given to all the employees. Name, job and salary I need to display, guys. So what I will write again, select e name, after that comma, job, after that salary. So whatever you want to print, whatever number of columns, just separate them with the help of a comma here. So after that I can write from EMP. So if I hit enter, then you can see employee name, job and salary are being displayed here. Okay, so that's about the eighth question. Write a query to display department names present in department table. So department names I want, guys, and basically from department table I want to display the department names. So first I will just display the department table. After that we'll see select star from DEPT. Okay, so department table. So here in department table we are having department number, department name and location. Okay, so write a query to display department names present in department table. So they are asking for department name, guys, and it is written as D name here, D name. Okay, so now I can write select. Okay, so select D name, and I will write from DEPT. So that is the table name. Okay, guys, so terminate it. So you can see department names are accounting, research, sales and operations. So this is the solution for ninth question. And after that, 10th one, write a query to display department names and location present in department table. So in 10th one, with a department name, I also want to display the location. So how I can do that one? Just the same thing, guys, select D name. Okay, so select D name, comma LOC, that is basically representing location. Okay, so from I have to write from, not EMP, guys, it is present in department table, DEPT. Okay, so terminate it and you will get to know department name and location for the department table. So like this you can solve these kind of queries, guys, and in next session I will be solving these 10 queries. Okay, So here you can see the questions are a bit complicated as compared to, not complicated, just they are tricky, but we will come to know how to solve these things. I will explain with the help of this practical solution, guys. Like this I'll be explaining. So please, if you are interested really, then you can check out the playlist. By the time you are seeing this video, guys, I might have uploaded all the videos. So please check in the description, or else in the I button you will be getting the next video link, or else at the end of this video the end screen element will be displaying this one. So make sure that you watch that one as well. Okay, so in next session we'll solve these 10 questions, guys. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one.